Means whenever 5k square minus kx plus 1 equals to 0 has real and distinct root, for real and distinct roots, we know that discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. And discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Now value of b is minus k. So minus k whole square minus 4 into value of a is 5 into value of c is 1 is greater than or equal to 0. It implies k square minus 20 is greater than or equal to 0. So when we factorize them, k plus root 20 into k minus root 20 is greater than 0. Is that clear to you? So if we think about their zeros, there are two zeros. First is minus root 20 and the second is plus root 20. Okay. So we can take three intervals. One less than minus root 20. Second between minus root 20 to plus root 20. And third greater than root 20. Is that clear to you? So first is when k is less than or equal to minus root 20, take the test point. So what is the test point which lies below minus root 20? As I have told you, it is less than root 20. So minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, all will be less than minus of root 20. And 5, 6, 7 will be greater than root 20. And 0 will lie between minus root 20 to root 1. Is that clear to you? 4, 3, 2, 1. Na? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus root 20 will lie between minus 4 and minus 5. Root 20 will lie between 4 to 5. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now take one of the test point as minus 5. K equals to minus 5. So k plus root 20. We have to check for k plus root 20 into k minus root 20, whether it is positive or negative. Okay. So if we use minus 5 plus root 20 into minus 5 minus root 20. Now minus 5 is less, na? 5 is less, so minus 5 is negative. Minus 5 plus root 20 will also be negative. And in this, both are negative. Minus into minus, it will be positive. Is that clear to you? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or you can use a plus b into a minus b. Still it is 25 minus 5 whole square and minus 20. So 5, which is positive. And we have to get positive number this time. So yes, this is the value. Okay. Now again, when k lies between minus root 20 to plus 20, the best number is 0 between them. So take that 0 plus root 20 into 0 minus root 20. It is giving minus 20. Negative is not taken. Okay. Next is again take k equals to 5. So it is 5 plus root 20 into 5 minus root 20, that is 25 minus 20 equals to 5. So it is also positive, so it will also be satisfied. Is that clear to you? Means there are two regions of values of k. One which is less than minus 20 and other which is greater than root 20. Is that clear to you? So this is the answer. K is less than equal to minus root 20 and k is greater than equal to plus root 20. Understood everyone? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood how to solve the inequalities of quadratic equations, as these are the quadratic inequalities? In class 10, we have studied about the linear inequalities. And this time they are the quadratic inequalities. So all the questions from question 2 have been discussed now. J is also there. This one you all have understood, na?
Yes.
Yes.
J is easier. Question J. Difference of roots is 1 given. Means alpha minus beta equals to 1 is given, है ना? For the equation, which equation? X square plus kx plus 12. Okay. Now sum of roots alpha plus beta minus b by a, that is, take this as equation number 1. Alpha plus beta equals to minus k by 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. And product of root alpha
Yes.
beta equals to c by a. So alpha into beta equals to c is 12. This is equation number 3. Okay. Wait. So by these 3 values, देखो, 3 unknowns are there, alpha, beta and k, and 3 equations are also there. So first we will solve equation 1 and 2. So values of alpha and beta will be in terms of k, and these values of alpha, beta in terms of k will be substituted in equation 3 to get the values of k. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Adding equation 1 and 2. Alpha minus beta equals to 1. Alpha plus beta equals to minus k. Beta beta cancelled out, alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha equals to 1 minus k. It implies alpha equals to 1 minus k upon 2. Is that clear to you? And from equation 1, alpha minus beta equals to 1. It implies 1 minus k by 2 minus beta equals to 1. It implies 1 minus k by 2 minus 1 equals to beta. It implies LCM is 2. So 1 minus k minus 2 equals to beta. It implies beta equals to minus k minus 1 upon 2. Okay. When we take minus common, k plus 1 upon 2. Alpha is 1 minus k upon 2. Beta is minus k plus 1 upon 2. Now, from equation 3, alpha beta equals to 12. Use value of alpha. 1 minus k upon 2. Value of beta minus of k plus 1 upon 2 equals to 12. Okay. So, if we multiply this minus to this, it becomes k minus 1 into k plus 1 upon 4 equals to 12. Numerator is k minus 1 into k plus 1. K square minus 1 equals to 12 4 ja 48. Okay. So k square equals to
49.
9. K equals to
Plus
Yes.
minus 7.
plus minus 7. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Next doubt is 6th A. Find the number of real is an identity. Identity means, you know the meaning of identity. Acha, I have told you the meaning of quadratic equation. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And it has 2 roots, na? Alpha and beta. Again, it is satisfied by only 2 values of x. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is satisfied by 2 values of x, which are called roots of this equation. है ना. Now if ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is an identity. Remember, it is possible only when it is satisfied by all values of x and for this. तो ये कैसे हो पाएगा भाई? इसमें ऐसा हो जाता है a इक्वल्स टू बी इक्वल्स टू सी इक्वल्स टू 0. अब ये अगर 0 ही है तो x की कोई भी वैल्यू लगा दो. 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0 and 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Is that clear to you? If value of x is 0, so a into 0 is 0. Value of x is 0, b into 0 is also 0. Sorry, value of x is not 0. Value of a is 0, 0 into x square is 0. Value of b is 0, 0 into x is 0. And value of c is also 0, so it is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So अब कोई भी वैल्यू लगा दो x की तो आंसर वही आना है. समझ में आ रही बात नहीं आ रही?
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया? और किसी ने समझ में आया क्या? लिख लो दोनों डेफिनेशन. इसी का यूज करना है 6th में, बाकी नेक्स्ट टाइम पे डिस्कस करें. ठीक है?
यस
तो अब हमें बताना है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम पे ये वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया कि नहीं आ गया, क्या समझे इससे. ठीक है ना? अभी तुम्हें सिर्फ हमने डेफिनेशन बताई है, अपने आप करने का करना.
Yes, sir.
मत पूछना, आ जाए पूछ लेना. ठीक है?